Hi, and welcome to Learner's Academy. In our last algebra video, we learned that algebra is about solving equations that have variables or unknown values. Solving an equation means figuring out what those unknown values are. Today, we'll focus on solving simple algebraic equations involving addition and subtraction. In the next video, we'll move on to equations with multiplication and division. Sound good? Awesome! Let's dive in. When solving an equation, your job is to rearrange it so the unknown value like x is all by itself on one side of the equal sign. All the known numbers should be on the other side. For example, in the equation x plus 7 equals 19, we want to figure out what x is. To do that, we rearrange the equation step by step. But how? Think of an equation as a balance scale. If both sides of the scale are equal, they're balanced. If we add or remove weight from just one side, the scale tips, and it's no longer balanced. Equations work the same way. For an equation to stay true, whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other. This rule applies to all four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Let's start with this example. X plus 7 equals 19. Here's how we solve it step by step. X isn't by itself because 7 is being added to it. To undo the addition, subtract 7 from both sides. On the left, we get x plus 7 minus 7 equals x plus 7, and minus 7 cancel out. On the right, 19 minus 7 equals 12. So x equals 12. To check our work, substitute x as 12 into the original equation. So does 12 plus 7 equals 19? It works! Great job! Now let's try. X minus 5 equals 16. Here, x isn't by itself because 5 is being subtracted. To undo the subtraction, add 5 to both sides. On the left, x minus 5 plus 5 equals x, as minus 5 and plus 5 cancel out. On the right, 16 plus 5 equals 21. So, the equation becomes x equals 21. Sometimes the unknown is on the right side, like 40 equals 25 plus x. No worries, the strategy is the same. Subtract 25 from both sides. On left side, 40 minus 25 equals 15. And on right side, 25 plus x minus 25 equals x. So 15 equals x. Or simply, x equals 15. What about something like this? Here, the unknown, x, is being subtracted from 12. This can feel a bit tricky, but here's how to handle it. Add x to both sides to move it to the right. Left side, 12 minus x plus x equals 12. Right side, 5 plus x. Now the equation is 12 equals 5 plus x. Subtract 5 from both sides to isolate x. Left side, 12 minus 5 equals 7. Right side, 5 plus x minus 5 equals x. So the solution is x equals 7. All right, since we have quite few practice questions, now let's look back to what we have learned. Always keep the equation balanced. Whatever you do to one side, do to the other. To isolate the unknown, undo addition with subtraction. Undo subtraction with addition. Always check your solution by substituting it back into the original equation. Here are a few practice questions to brush up your learning. So grab a copy and pencil and give it a try. Now you're ready solving simple equations with addition and subtraction. In the next video, we'll tackle multiplication and division. Keep practicing and see you next time.